Sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Pinagdarasal ko na sobrang nasanay, tanggapin mo aking inaalay. Nagpasasalamat sa pag-iliwanag ng buhay kong ito'y na dati-dati di ganito na kay ligaya. Oh, tanggapin ang regalo, oh, mga rosas sa choco. Diliwanag din ang buhay mo pag nilabas ko na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. IFM ay aking best friend.
Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango ng detergent ko.
Sa pabanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Nuting halidad, kinkinampitas si pagsasaritaan, agturungen, ijay, Ideal Bazaar. Ngamin, ket aglako da, itinaduma-duma nga tagilako. Akasiti gitara, ukulele, ken bandoria, lyre, bass drum, snare drums, triple drum, adapay sewing machine, trophies, ken award medals. Calculator, CD, VCD, DVD players, TV, ken electric fan, online na data, adana pa di transistor radio, cassette recorders, ken wall clocks, ken relos para babae ken lalaki. Ti Ideal Bazaar at picture dai ti Rush ID, 1x1 ken 2x2 picture, passport, visa, ay na picture mo nga black and white, iti color. Uray awan, negative na. Tandaan nga picture mo, ket mapagbalinda baro. Kastapay nga gawat da, iti picture nga may frame. Iti na duma-duma nga sizes. Anya pa'y nga rodiro Ryan nyo. Agturungen, ijay, Ideal Bazaar, Rizal Street, Lawag City.
Sabi nila, a business without a sign is a sign of no business. Kaya para makilala at madaling matagpuan ang negosyo mo, Eugene's Advertising and General Services and Merchandise ang sagot ng signage mo. The best Panaflex signage fabrication and installation services. Tumatanggap din sila ng Rush Tarpaulin Printing. Pwede mo nang antayin in few minutes. Meron din silang mug printing, t-shirt printing, sticker printing, PVC ID printing, invitations, souvenir tags, at marami pang iba. Kaya para sa lahat ng inyong printing needs, dito ka na sa Eugene's Advertising and General Services and Merchandise. P. Lazaro, corner Agkawili Streets, near UV Express Van Claveria Terminal, Lawag City. O sa kanilang main branch sa number 7, Kaunayan National Highway, Batac City.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko.
Baby, please don't get me wrong, 'cause I'm not complaining. But you see, you got my mind spinning. So why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time. Was it me? Baby, I dream of you every minute. You will not trust, you're always in it. That's the only place I know where you could be mine. And I'm yours, but only till I wake up. So why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time. Was it me? That's the only place I know where you could be mine. And I'm yours, but only till I wake up. Why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time. Was it me? Why can't it be?
IFM ay aking best friend.
Oras hatid sa inyo ng Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
Ang galing ng #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste, nasa Smart Dishwashing Liquid din. Tanggaling-galing sa presyong magaling din. May tanong kami sa mga misis.
Mas importante ba ang paramihan ng hinugasang plato o ang tunay na kalinisan nito?
Hoy! Misis!
Kahit milya-milyang plato ang kaya ng dishwashing liquid mo, sa kaunting patak na hinalo sa tubig, sigurado ka bang tanggal ang sebo at bakterya?
Hoy! Misis!
Dapat magpaka-smart tayo. Sa Smart Dishwashing, tanggal ang sebo, tanggal ang bakterya.
Tanggaling-galing!
Kaya misis, magpakatotoo. Mag-Smart Dishwashing tayo.
Smart Dishwashing. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Max, pinasarap ang araw mo sa Max's Restaurant. Subukan ang sarap to the bones Max's Fried Chicken. Ang chicken na walang katapat, nagawa sa secret recipe na di magaya ng iba. Walang kaduda-duda at hindi lang kapag mag-celebrate dito ng wedding, birthday, baptismal, debut, seminar, and other occasions. Kaya sa Max's Restaurant, king sa pagkain, sa iba'y bitin. Sa Max's Restaurant, wala ka nang hahanapin. Max's Restaurant, General Segundo Avenue, Lawag City. Open 7 a.m. daily. We serve brunch specials like Ilocos Bagnet, Pinakdakan, Igado, Longganisa, and Pinakbet. Call 772-1302 or 607-0233 or 770-3026.
Paano na to? Gustong-gusto ko mag-aral pero ayaw ko namang i-give up ang work ko. Palagi na lang ba ako may sitwasyon na kailangan kong mamili? Anong pipiliin ko?
Tama ng drama. Dahil sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, hindi mo na kailangan mamili between work and schooling. Dahil dito sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, ang work at study mo ang aming #1 priority.
Totoo ba yan?
Tama, dahil ang Visa Trust International Incorporated, mapa-professional or undergraduate ka man, basta 18 to 52 years old ka, ay siguradong pasok ka sa kanilang Study Work to Migrate program in New Zealand.
Interesado ako. Paano ba ito?
Punta ka lang sa 3rd floor, LC Square, JP Rizal Street, Barangay 9, Loag City, near Dapayan, and look for Miss Al. At para sa mga iba pang detalye, pwede kang mag-text or tumawag sa kanilang contact numbers 0906-338-6352 at 0998-188-0124. Visa Trust International Incorporated. Find options towards your...
Let me tell you about Renos Kebab, the first authentic Mediterranean restaurant in Ilocos that uses only the and spices from the Middle East. Try our tasteful and delicious beef or chicken kebabs with biryani rice, beef or chicken wraps, our freshly made Arabic bread, and dip it in hummus. Partner with our healthy yogurt drink of yogurt fruits, shake, or our refreshing lemongrass drink. Renos Kebab is situated at the back part of Benvi IT Park, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Opens daily from 3 p.m. until 11 p.m. Eat healthy. Try Renos Kebab.
Eto na naman! Mga parol! Kumukuti-kutidap na ilaw! Belen Caroling! Ibig sabihin... Pasko na naman! Ay! Pasko na! Ay! Pasko na! Eto ang kukumpleto sa Christmas spirit nating Pilipino! Ay! Pasko na! Ay! Pasko na! Lahat ng maririnig mo, pampasko! Pati istorya sa likod ng kanta, malalaman mo! Ay! Pasko na! Ay! Pasko na! Alas 4 hanggang alas 6 ng umaga, dito lang sa IFM! Ay! Pasko na! Ay! Pasko na!
IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig, #1 sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend. I swear, by the moon and the stars and the stars. And I swear, like the shadow that's by your side. I see the questions in your eyes. I know what's weighing on your mind. You can be sure I know my part. 'Cause I stand beside you through the years. You'll only cry those happy tears. And though I make mistakes, I'll never break your heart. And I swear, by the moon and the stars and the stars, I'll be there.
I'll build your dreams with these two hands. We'll hang some memories on the walls. And when just the two of us are there, you won't have to ask if I still care. 'Cause as the time turns the page, my love won't age at all. And I swear, by the moon and the stars and the skies, I'll be there. I swear, like a shadow that's by your side. I'll be there, for better or worse, till death do us part. I'll love you with every beat of my heart. I swear. I swear, by the moon and the stars and the sky, I'll be there. I swear, like a shadow that's by your side, I'll be there, for better or worse, till death do us part. I'll love you with every single beat of my heart. I swear. I swear. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, then how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see?